Toastmasters Shivani and Venkat. Fellow Toastmasters and friends of Toastmasters, good evening.
Good evening.
I welcome you all, not to an IPL match, but just imagine the setting over there. About 50,000 people are watching and viewing this wonderful installation ceremony. There will be 9 players installed today, 7 of them the key players and the 2 associates, and we want 11 players for cricket. And the 2 players will jump in, I'm sure, from the club whenever the need demands. And that's the confidence we can have with this marvelous club, the Sunshine Toastmasters Club. Ladies and gentlemen, I am privileged to serve as an installation officer for the club number 9713, Sunshine Toastmasters Club. It is indeed a proud moment to have new officers taking up the challenge of serving the club members for the term July 2012 to December 2012. As I begin the installation ceremony, I humbly request you all to please keep your applause till the installation ceremony is concluded, or I lead the applause. Firstly, I request all the club officers of the previous term, as I call their names, to please rise and, if present, as I call your names, just stand up wherever you are. Here are the list of the outgoing club officers. The Sergeant at Arms, Mr. Toastmaster Pray. And Toastmaster Apu, Associate Sergeant at Arms. The Treasurer, Toastmaster Srinivas Raju. The Secretary, Toastmaster Tarun. The Vice President Public Relations, Toastmaster Prashant Sharma. Vice President Membership, Toastmaster Satlaj. Vice President Education, Toastmaster Vijayalakshmi Bahir. Assistant Vice President Education, Toastmaster Rinaldi Kasana. And the President, Toastmaster Divakar Reddy. Dear officers, you had a successful term and you all should be extremely proud of serving magnificently in your respective office. Your support to Toastmasters Club Sunshine is, in spite of your tight schedule, is appreciable. On behalf of Sunshine Toastmasters Club, I would like to say a big thank you to all of you for your hard and successful work in the previous term. You are now discharged from all further duties and responsibilities as officers of Sunshine Toastmasters. You may now take your seats. Thank you. I now call upon and have the great privilege of getting to know and presenting them before you the new installed or will be installed officers who will be taking over from July 2012 to December 2012 and lead this club to glory. First and foremost, the Sergeant at Arms, and as I call, I would like them to stand from right to left. Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Achu. And we have an Associate Sergeant at Arms. The Associate Sergeant at Arms is Toastmaster Akash. And the Treasurer is Toastmaster Apu. The Secretary is Toastmaster Srinivas. The Vice President Public Relations, Toastmaster Pray. Men in black. Let's see. Assistant Vice President. Vice President Membership, Toastmaster Priyadarshi Kipali. What's life without variety? Assistant Vice President Education, Toastmaster Prashant Sharma. Vice President Education, Toastmaster Rinaldi Prasanna. And the President, Toastmaster Vijayalakshmi Bahira. I am here to install the officers of Sunshine Toastmasters Club and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make the club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity, and think creatively. I will ask each officer to hold the gavel as the symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges he or she must meet and the responsibilities he or she must fulfill. Each officer is obligated to attend club executive committee meetings, attend district-sponsored club officers training, and prepare the successor for the next term. Now, I call upon Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Achu, and Assistant Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Akash, and you will be installed as the Sergeant at Arms and Associate Sergeant at Arms of Sunshine Toastmasters Club. You will arrive early to prepare the meeting place for the members and stay late to tear down and stow away the club's property and equipment. You are also in charge of the meeting place itself, obtaining new space whenever necessary and maintaining contact with the people who allow you to use the space for your club meetings. Arrange the meeting location, and these are some of the specific things which you will be performing. 1. Arrange the meeting location. Maintain and track or keep